Good evening, sir. You need anything? Mr. Chen, what are you doing?
You look like fathers married children are at home. Mrs. Chen isn't home.
Mr. Chen.
Don't afraid, Mandarin. Please feel good.
Mr. Chen, I came here for clean work. Not like this. Not like this, please. Please, please. Binti ka, Mr. Chen! Nakakadinig ang baboy niyo! Ang baboy niyo! Ang baboy!
Come back here! Come back!
Hindi mo ba sinumbong sa misis?
Yung kapatid ko na po ang nagsabi sa kanya. Bali yung amo po ng kapatid ko, tinawagan niya yung amo ko. Kasi yung amo ko at saka yung amo ng kapatid ko po, magkaano sila sa church. Pastor po nila yung amo ko.
Pastor yung amo
Opo.
mo, yung nanghipo sa'yo?
Opo.
May pastor bang ganun?
Yun ang pinakamasakit dahil alam ko talaga na pastor siya. I'm in a good hand, kung baga.
Oo.
Pero
Na
at
hindi
the end,
makakagawa
yun ang
ng
hindi ko
ganun,
matanggap,
ano?
ma'am. Oo.
Yung pala,
Kaya lumabon pa. Oo.
Eh, talaga naman.
我没做到的，所以，I don't know what Ahmed saying, but I don't know bad things.
You heard him. Is it true?
Sinungaling ka eh! Sinungaling niya! He's lying! He's a liar!
So these things is happen out of hand already. We just talk like civilized people.
Are you sure you don't want to settle?
No, settle, no settle.
It was all just misunderstanding.
Can we fix this?
Here, I'll give you money. Get it. Get it. Forget everything. Everybody happy.
My pride's not for sale.
Fine. You're fired. Now. Leave.
Okay, I'm fired, but I am going to fight you. I will make sure you cannot do this again. I will tell all your followers what you did and see if they will follow you after.
Bobby, nakapi ko. Bobby, ha?
Ate, kanina pa kami naghihintay. Malilate na tayo sa hearing.
Kaya nga, yun na nga yung sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Na-postpone yung hearing.
Kailan na naman daw?
Hindi ko alam, wala pang sinasabi yung amo ko. Indefinite eh.
Definite?
Tatawagan na lang kita pag may sinabi yung amo ko. Sandali lang ha, kasi may inuutos yung amo ko sa akin.
Pupunta pa ako ng Chinchatsoy.
So ano na nangyari sa kaso mo?
Lately lang, yung last report ng police, ma'am. Sabi lang naman dun, ma'am, no enough evidence. Yung nakalagay dun, ma'am.
Ah, so parang bali na ba?
Yes, parang
Bali
nabali
wala
na.
yung ano mo.